I was facing hair fall problems since like around my college days, around 6-7 years from there I was facing. I got to know about this new roots clinic from one of my friend who undergone a hair transplant last year, I think. So he shared me a positive feedback, so I came here for this hair fall solution. So actually, the major problem was my hairline was receding, and also hair thinning problem was there. So I had a consultation with Dr. Shelly. So she suggested me for a hair transplant. I undergone surgery yesterday only, and it was a good experience. The doctor as well as the technicians were very helpful, and they, they took time for this surgery. Like it was around 6 to 7 hours, but it was a good experience. Felt a little bit of pain for anesthesia, but after the anesthesia injection was given, I was not feeling any pain. So it was a good experience. Yeah, definitely. If I will recommend other friends as well if someone is facing from this problem to visit New Roots and get solution of their health care problems.